Alright, so today we will be discussing about these PSLE problem sums. Let's read the question. Raja had some money. He spent $29.70 on 9 pens and 21 rulers. Using the remaining money, if he were to buy one more pen, he would be short of 40 cents, so basically not enough money. If he were to buy one more ruler, he would have 90 cents left, so a little bit additional extra money left if he were to buy the ruler instead. The question is, how much did one ruler cost? Okay, so let's use the RHMC steps. Let's read the question once more, and as we are reading, we will underline the important words and numbers. So Raja had some money. He spent a total of $29.70 on 9 pens and 21 rulers. Using the remaining money, I'm going to circle this right? If he were to buy one additional pen, one more pen, he would be short of 40 cents, so not enough money. Another if, which I am going to circle. If he were to buy one more ruler, he would have 90 cents left. How much did one ruler cost? Alright, so we have underlined the keywords, we have circled the keywords as well. Now, as you can very clearly observe, I've circled both the ifs. When you see double ifs, it signals to us that this is actually a gaps and difference, or what is known as excess and shortage question. Alright, so the first thing that you will have to do is draw for yourself models when you see a double ifs question. So the models that I'll draw for the first model right here is for the remaining amount of money he has. So this model is the remaining amount of money that he has. Alright, and if he were to buy the pen, he would need 40 cents more. So this amount is not enough. I would need 40 cents more, alright, just to get that pen. Okay, so again, from here to here, this part here is the remaining amount of money that he has. Okay, and from here right to the end is basically the cost of one pen. Okay, so we are going to do the same thing for the ruler. Okay, so let's use the same blue color to denote the remaining amount of money, which is going to be the same length of model. Alright, but in this case, if he buys the ruler, he will be left with 90 cents. So he doesn't need to spend the entire remaining amount of money. He needs to spend 90 cents lesser to get that one ruler. Okay, so again, from here all the way to here, this is the remaining amount of money that he has. And if he were to get the ruler, he will be left with 90 cents additional or extra money. Okay, so from here we can also say that this part of the model is actually the cost of your ruler, which is something that I need to find. I need to find that red section. What is the cost of that one ruler? Okay, so very quickly from this question, you should be able to understand that from the models you have drawn, you can find the difference between the pen and the ruler. So the entire thing, the entire blue length right here is actually for the pen. The red length right here is for the ruler. Okay, so which means that the difference between the pen and the ruler can be found by looking at this box here, which is also 90 cents plus 40 cents. So the difference between the pen and the ruler is actually 90 plus 40 cents, which is $1.30. Okay, or logically speaking, okay, you can ask yourself, if I were to buy the ruler, I would be left with 90 cents, right? But then, using the same remaining money, I need an additional 40 cents. So basically, I need that 90 cents plus 40 cents to allow me to get the pen instead. So basically, the pen is more expensive by 90 plus 40 cents, which is $1.30. Alright, which is this green part right here. Okay, so the first step that I'll write is the difference in the price. So difference in price is just simple addition. So it's 90 cents plus 40 cents. which will give me an answer of $1.30. Okay, now since I have the difference, I know that the pen is $1.30 more expensive than each of the rulers. I can actually convert, I can change. The word convert means change. I can change these 9 pens into 9 rulers. Now if you change the 9 pens into 9 rulers, you need to understand that each pen is $1.30 more expensive. So how about 9 pens? How much more expensive is 9 pens versus 9 rulers? Okay, all I have to do to find that value is to take 9 multiplied by $1.30, which will give me an answer of $11.70. So this is actually the price difference, the total price difference between 9 pens and 9 rulers. So that will allow me to change all the pens into rulers. So now what this means is that if I change the 9 pens into rulers, I will get a total of 9 plus 21 rulers, which is 30 rulers. But hey, the price of 30 rulers is most certainly lesser than $29.70. Now, how much lesser? $11.70 lesser. Why is that so? Because that is the difference in the price of 9 pens versus your 9 rulers. Okay, so now I need to find a new total amount. Okay, the new total amount for 30 rulers, which is a simple subtraction. So I take 29.7 minus that total difference that I had initially. This will give me an answer of $18. Now this $18 again represents 30 rulers. Of course, in actual fact, he did not buy 30 rulers. We are just changing the pens to rulers to make it convenient for ourselves to solve this problem. Okay, so 30 rulers is having a cost of $18. So from here I can find the cost of one ruler, which is just $18 divided by 30, which will give me an answer of 60 cents. Okay, so this is the answer for this question. Now in RHMC, the last step is to check. So we are going to check our answer. And how do we check? We can use these particular model systems here that we have drawn to check our answer. Now, if the price of a ruler is 60 cents, let's find the remaining amount of money that he has. Okay, so remember this, if he bought one ruler, which is 60 cents, he will be left with 90 cents at the end. Okay, so the remaining amount of money is the same as 60 cents plus 90 cents, which is $1.50. Okay, now from here, let's try and find the price of one pen. And from there, we will check this statement right here, which I'm going to box out in black. Okay, we'll find the price of one pen and we will see if 9 pens and 21 rulers will add up to $29.70. If our answer is yes, then our answer is correct. Okay, the steps that we have written is all fine. Okay, so I know the remaining amount of money is $150. Now, if he were to buy a pen instead, he would need 40 cents more, which means that the price of a pen is 40 cents more than $1.50. Okay, which is 1.5 plus 40 cents, which will give us an answer of $1.90. Okay, now again, how do we do the final check? We ask ourselves, 9 pens and 21 rulers. What is the total cost of this? Again, each pen is $1.90 right here. Each ruler is 60 cents right here. So take out a calculator, press 21 multiplied by 60 cents plus 9 multiplied by $1.90. So let's do that calculation right now using a calculator. And indeed, at the end, okay, if you total the values up, you are going to get a total amount of $29.70, which is matching the information in this question, and with that match we have done the check for this question. So again, the method that we have used is to draw for ourselves a model, because this is a double ifs question. When you see double ifs, immediately trigger your mind to actually employ the model system, okay, and find the difference between the first model and the second model and work your way down from there. Okay, so that's how we approach this particular primary 6 style problem sums. Thank you.